YouTube, welcome to DigiTales. I'm Olivia. We just announced another massive Nintendo Switch giveaway in our previous video, which is only for our YouTube subscribers. So click the link in the description below to enter for the chance to win the fastest selling Nintendo console ever. Just comment below after you have entered to let me know if you're here for the giveaway. And to also be in with a chance of winning the Xbox One X for patrons, please make sure that you have visited and signed up for our Patreon page to enter. CES 2018 is about to kick off in Las Vegas, and I wanted to talk about some of the innovative gadgets I am really looking forward to seeing in 2018. CES is the largest consumer electronics show in the world, and this year there will be over 4,000 companies, including many startups, showing their latest technology from 8K TVs, electric cars, new AI digital assistants, and every smart home device you could possibly think of. Personally, I like hearing about the wackiest gadgets I can't believe we will ever need or use, but are still being made, like smart shower heads or headphones that can scan your brain and show an emoji on the ear cups so that people can see what kind of mood you're in. After trying hyper-reality at the Void for their Star Wars experience, I definitely recommend going along if you're in London, as it's only there for 12 weeks. And if you're also in the US, I think it's also available at Disney World. I didn't think that VR could actually get any more immersive. So the Void had like rumbling floors, heat jets to simulate being on a lava planet whilst you were shooting stormtroopers and also alien monsters. We got to wear these chest haptic jackets, which simulated being hit by pulse rifles. And it was a co-op experience as well, with 4 of us running around the Imperial base basically trying to escape, so we could see each other in VR as well. And it was so cool to see the Leap Motion technology used so we could see our own hands in VR. As I was a very early adopter of this technology a couple of years ago when we were actually making our own VR applications. As good as the Void was in having a completely untethered VR experience, I think there is still more room to improve on simulating all our other sensors other than sight and sound. This is where the Tesla suit comes in. At CES 2018, I am hoping to hear more details about specs and release dates for this totally immersive, awesome suit. With a full body haptic feedback system, motion capture and positioning, and climate control, yes, this suit gets hot and cold to simulate moving through different landscapes. Also weight simulation, which means you can physically feel picking up an object in VR, or like the recoil off a gun when you're firing. So imagine having all these sensors being stimulated when playing Call of Duty or like an action RPG or something like that. I have already signed up to test an early version of the suit and will keep you informed as more information is released. So this year, for CES 2018, I think that we should play Alexa Bingo. So what I mean is that I expect there to be a lot of devices integrating Alexa or Google Assistant into their fridges, smart speakers, lighting, fittings, etc. announced this year, and we should try and keep score, I reckon, between Amazon and Google just for fun to see who wins. Health is going to be another big sector for CES. We're already aware of a device that helps people become pregnant through fertility tracking by testing a woman's saliva through a smartphone add-on to know the best time to try and conceive. Crazy. There are also devices to aid sight-impaired people, and I'm sure there are many others to come. TVs are always a big part of CES, and even though most people are still getting to grips with 4K HDR, I cannot wait to see 8K, even if no one's actually making content for it yet. I want to see using my own eyes if it's true that it actually looks like you're looking through a window when watching 8K content on, say, like a 64-inch screen TV. Seeing is believing and all that. And finally, drones! If you're a regular viewer of DigiTales, then you know that I love my drones and just got the new DJI Mavic Pro Platinum. That means that half of me is so excited to see if the DJI announce a next generation drone next week, and the other half of me is saying, don't do it, DJI, because I just bought the Mavic Pro Platinum. I am betting there will be lots of clones of the Mavic from DJI's competitors shown off at CES with some super powerful drones for delivering heavy packages and aid relief, disaster zones, etc. So do you think I'm going to be right? We don't have that long to find out, so stay tuned to Digitail's social media and YouTube for all the CES announcements next week. Before you go, please remember the giveaways are only for our subscribers and our patrons, and the more that you share this video, the more tech that we will continue to give away. So hit the subscribe button and the bell icon below and leave me a comment to let me know if you're here for the giveaways. You can also add me on my Snapchat. It's live_digitails, or you can scan this QR code right here through the app. Please leave me a comment below and click on my big logo subscribe button, which is right over here. And also don't forget to click on the bell icon below to get notifications whenever we post new content and fabulous competitions. And if you enjoyed this video, then please give me a big thumbs up. And you can also check out my Patreon page right over here, or another one of my videos like this one below.